So there's one thing I don't really like about my shop anymore. It's this unfinished wall I put up, just basically to divide my shop from the rest of the basement. So the outside's finished, but the inside I left unfinished because it never really bothered me. Up until the point I started doing these YouTube videos and started doing all this editing. It's just an eyesore now and I want to take care of it. So this is the other side of the wall and a bunch of exercise equipment that I clearly use. But in order for me to take care of it, I have to do the one thing I absolutely hate doing. Hate more than anything. It's drywall. I hate doing drywall. And the most important thing I hate about doing drywall is mudding. I hate mudding. I hate everything about drywall. I hate the weight of it. I hate how awkward it is. I hate going to buy it. I hate how expensive it is. I hate hauling it all over the place. I definitely hate the mudding of it. I hate how I can never get it right. I hate the amount of dust and everything it creates. I just hate it. But to make the shop look a lot nicer, I am going to do it, and I'm also going to add lighting all the way through there. Oh, look how perfect I'm pointing at that. So most drywall videos you watch are people who've been doing it for 20, 30 years, who are so perfect at it, who can hold an entire sheet of drywall with one hand while they drill it, and then mud it perfectly the first time. Like, this is not one of those videos. I'm not a professional at this. I hate doing it. I complain the entire time through it, but I'm gonna stop complaining and just get to it. The first thing I gotta do is haul the drywall from my garage all the way down the stairs, all the way into my basement. All right, here we go. 2 sheet sets. Oh God, it's so heavy, so heavy, so heavy. God, I hate this so much. I'm on the wrong side. Lift with your back. Oh God. Pro tip. Just hire somebody. This sucks. Down the stairs. Down the stairs. Oh God. Oh, losing grip. Oh God. Oh, losing grip. Oh God. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This. Crap. So something about drywall is you have to lay it vertically and start from the top down. I don't know why. I think it's stupid. It makes it just harder. But that's the way they say you have to do it, so I'm just going to do it. Well, that's not straight. Oh, missed. God, if I wanted to spend my entire weekend doing crap I don't want to do, I would have had kids. It's a stupid, no easy way to do this. God. Yeah, son of a... and fall. Oh. So this is where the TV is on the other side of the wall, and we have all the cords running through. I'm actually just gonna make a door right here so you can have access to everything. So I gotta actually cut a piece like that, put it up. Watch me screw that up. Is it right? No. Whoa. Oh. Nope. God damn it. Fuck. Okay, so as you can see, I'm finally done hanging it. It took around 4 hours. I wanted to do at least the first coat, get some tape up today, but I'm exhausted and I just don't want to. So anyone who does this for a living, good on you. I mean, I'm just completely exhausted. So we'll be back for day 2. So day 2, I woke up exhausted, my back was killing me, and I regret everything about this. Let's get to it. Spin it, holy shit. wonder if I hate mudding so much because I think it's a cure-all. Like, I think I could do really terrible on the drywall because I'll just take care of it with the mud. And when I start doing it, I realize it's not an actual cure-all. And that's why I hate it. Day 3. I'm hungover and I fucking hate everything. So bad. Oh. I'm just gonna take a nap. Man, I got some bags under my eyes. Whew. All right, day 4, last day. We're gonna work on this. We have to get it done today. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand everything down. Then I gotta paint it, and then I gotta install the lights. Oh, that's so perfect. Look at that pointing. I just want to take a moment to address why I didn't use green board. I'm sure maybe some of you are wondering about it, but since the wall I put up isn't actually near the basement wall, I'm not worried about the moisture transfer coming off the cinder blocks. Along with, I do have a dehumidifier that runs year round, and mix that with a steady supply of sawdust, I just don't really think it's going to be necessary to use green board. What's the best thing to do near freshly painted walls? That's right, start ripping down some boards. I have zero patience. I bet all of my projects would turn out perfect if I would just stop telling myself, I'm not waiting, what's the worst that can happen? These are for the overhang I want to use with the lights, since I want to make the wall almost look like a gallery wall, because I want to put up some of my paintings on it. So these are the LED lights. I got them on Amazon. It's 50 feet. They look really, I've never messed with these. They look really small. I don't know if they're gonna be bright enough. I haven't tried them yet. I have no idea. Son of a bitch. Ah. All right, here it goes. Cool. I like it. This is the final product. It was double the budget and took twice as long as what I actually wanted it to, but you know what? I really think it was worth it. I do like it. I really hope this is the last time I ever have to deal with drywall. I also just want to say thank you for stopping by, and I really hope you liked it, and that's it for now. I'll see you next time.